How to fix need official WhatsApp to use this account problem on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video is based on how you can fix need official WhatsApp to use this account issue on your WhatsApp application. Now if you're constantly facing this kind of issue, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to install the application. For that, you need to go to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in business WhatsApp. After that, you'll need to install this application. Once you install the application, you need to register your account, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also try uninstalling the official WhatsApp application and sign in into your WhatsApp web and sign in into your account through a web maybe. After successfully signing in, install the official application from the Play Store. You can also troubleshoot by attempting to sign in into your account from different devices and see if their problem exists or not. Now, despite of doing all of these procedure, you are unable to fix it, then you can directly get in help of an expert or maybe contact the support team and they'll look into your matters. So in this way, you can fix need the official WhatsApp to use this account issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.